everyone. Here we will discuss the basics of drug calculation, that is units of measurements. When carrying out drug calculations, you will need to be familiar with the units of measurements used. These units form part of the standard international system of measurement, also referred to as the metric system. Here we will see some of the commonly used units. First, we will see units related to mass or weight. Most commonly used units related to mass or weight are kilogram, gram, milligram, microgram, nanogram, and pound. Units related to volume are liter, milliliter, cubic centimeter, and units related to amount, that is mole, millimole, etc. Here we will see how to convert between units. You will come across situations where you need to convert a measurement from one unit to another. For example, from microgram to milligram or from liters to milliliter, etc. For converting, we should know the relationship between each unit. Okay, so here we can see kilogram, gram, milligram, microgram, nanogram. So in this, kilogram is the largest unit and nanogram is the smallest unit. Okay, so here 1 kilogram, as we all know that 1 kilogram is equal to 1000 gram. Okay, so here 1 kilogram is equal to 1000 gram and 1 gram is equal to 1000 milligram, that is next unit, and 1 milligram is equal to 1000 microgram. That means here the relationship between each unit is a factor of 1000. So conversion requires us to multiply or divide dosages by 1000. That is, if we need to convert from largest unit to smallest unit, so we have to multiply by 1000. That is, if we want to convert from kilogram to gram, we have to multiply by 1000. And if we want to convert from gram to milligram, multiply by 1000. And if we want to convert from smallest to largest unit, that is, we want to convert from nanogram to microgram or microgram to milligram, milligram to gram, that is in opposite direction. So there what we have to do, we have to divide it by 1000. It is from largest to smallest, multiply by 1000, and from smallest to largest, divided by 1000. Here we will see one example, that is, we need to convert 5 mg to microgram, that is 5 milligram to microgram. So here we can see kilogram is the largest one, gram, milligram, microgram. So here we need to convert from milligram to microgram, that is from largest to smallest. Okay, so here mg is largest, that is milligram is largest and microgram is smallest. So here for converting, to convert mg to microgram, so we need to multiply from largest to smallest, means we have to multiply by 1000. That is here 5 mg, that is 5 mg is equal to 5 into 1000. We have to multiply it. Okay, so that time we will get 5000 microgram, that is 5 mg is equal to 5000 microgram. And another example, we need to convert 0.5 gram in or to milligram. Okay, so here gram is the largest unit and milligram is the smallest unit. So if we need to convert largest to smallest, we have to multiply it by 1000. So here 0.5 we need to multiply by 1000. So we will get 500 mg, that is 0.5 gram is equal to 500 mg. Another example, if we need to convert 300 ml to liter, so here ml is the smallest unit, liter is the largest unit, same like a kilogram. Okay, so here we need to convert from smallest to largest. So here what we need to do, so we have to divide it by 1000. That means here for converting this 300 ml to liter, what we have to do, 300 divided by 1000. That is, the answer is 0.3 liters. That is 300 ml is equal to 0.3 liters. Here we have another example, that is we need to convert 2 gram to microgram. Okay, so here we know that gram is the largest unit and microgram is the smallest unit. That is, here we know that kilogram, then gram, then milligram, then microgram. Okay, so we need to convert from gram to microgram. So largest to smallest, that means we have to multiply it by 1000. That is, here we need to multiply it 2 times. That is, here from gram to milligram 1000, from milligram to microgram 1000. That is, gram to microgram means 2 times we need to multiply it by 1000. So 2 gram if we need to convert means we need to multiply it by 2 into 1000 one time, and next time, second time, one more 1000 is equal to, this will be the answer. Two gram is equal to